This is a tutorial for a genie, so we're just going to start this move by standing next to the pole and performing it from the floor. There are options later on to take it up the pole, but if you are just learning this for the first time, it's always advised to start at the bottom of the pole. So we're going to start by lifting the inside leg up on the pole like this, and then you're just going to take the outside hand just underneath that top leg. And the good thing about doing it on spin for the first time is that you can try and fall back into it, and the process of falling back means that this leg should naturally come in front of the pole. So if I just show you that now, so I just go back and go really slow, see the way my back of the knee meets the pole. But what I want to do from there is I really need to find that grip as much as possible. So I have to just shift it slightly to get it in the back of the knee. Okay, and there's a genie. You could take the top hand off to take the side bend and then come up to pull. So that's option one, that will get you into your genie fine. If you're really struggling to find the grip in that bottom leg, this is another option. This can be a little bit harder on hamstrings though, so just be mindful of that. Just bend your legs if it gets a little bit sore. So I'm going to take the inside leg on again, and then from there, if you need to bend the bottom leg, just bend. But I'm going to take the top hand in a cup grip facing backwards. Then I'm going to take this outside hand down onto the floor. But what I want to really make sure to do is to keep that top leg connected to the pole as much as possible. So I'm squeezing in that top leg. And then from there, I push the weight into this bottom hand and pull with the top hand and just swing that leg in front. And see the way I can lift now. I've got like more agency when it comes to lifting that leg on the pole, and then I found the genie. And you can take the side bend this way as well, and then up. So that is your genie. I love this move, it looks so pretty. You can develop it into a no-handed version later on, which we will talk about in a later tutorial. So go and get this solid and then come back for more.